Welcome to English Pinglish channel. Let's get started.
Cut, cut. Don't cut your hair. Don't cut your hair. Don't cut your hair. College, college. We met in college. We met in college. We met in college. Interest, interest. Music is an interest of mine. Music is an interest of mine. Music is an interest of mine. Kill, kill. Smoking can kill you. Smoking can kill you. Smoking can kill you. Remain, remain. These remain on the top shelf. These remain on the top shelf. These remain on the top shelf. Effect, effect. The effect of that miscry is great. The effect of that miscry is great. The effect of that miscry is great. Use, use. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? Call, call. He did call me yesterday. He did call me yesterday. He did call me yesterday. Class, class. We were in the same English class. We were in the same English class. We were in the same English class. Care, care. I don't care about what you think. I don't care about what you think. I don't care about what you think. Perhaps, perhaps. Perhaps she loves you. Perhaps she loves you. Perhaps she loves you. Little, little. There's a little bird outside my window. There's a little bird outside my window. There's a little bird outside my window. Late, late. Hurry up, it's too late. Hurry up, it's too late. Hurry up, it is too late. Hard, hard. That test was so hard. That test was so hard. That test was so hard. Pass, pass. Can we pass by the grocery store? Can we pass by the grocery store? Can we pass by the grocery store? Former, former. She was my former housemate. She was my former housemate. She was my former housemate. Sell, sell. We want to sell this house. We want to sell this house. We want to sell this house. Major, major. It's major issue for the project. It's major issue for the project. It's major issue for the project. Long, long. We are walking along the road. We are walking along the road. We are walking along the road. Report, report. I read her report and it was great. I read her report and it was great. I read her report and it was great. Better, better. Your singing has gotten so much better. Your singing has gotten so much better. Your singing has gotten so much better. Decide, decide. Please decide where to eat. Please decide where to eat. Please decide where to eat. Possible, possible. Is it possible to change my room? Is it possible to change my room? Is it possible to change my room? Heart, heart. My heart is beating for Annie. My heart is beating for Annie. My heart is beating for Annie. Drug, drug. Please give me a stronger pain-killing drug. Please give me a stronger pain-killing drug. Please give me a stronger pain-killing drug. Voice, voice. I can hear your voice. I can hear your voice. I can hear your voice. Wife, wife. My wife is away from home this weekend. My wife is away from home this weekend. My wife is away from home this weekend. Whole, whole. I have the whole house to myself. I have the whole house to myself. I have the whole house to myself. Police, police. The police have questioned him about the accident. The police have questioned him about the accident. The police have questioned him about the accident. Finally, finally. I can finally move from my old apartment. I can finally move from my old apartment. I can finally move from my old apartment.
Please subscribe us and don't forget like and comment. Thanks for watching.